Another teenager can thank his guiding angel that he didn't lose his life early this morning after falling asleep on the road and was run over by a motorist. According to reports from the Newark Police Department, the police were called on to the scene at 4:30 after the driver of a vehicle who was on his way to work ran over the teenager who was allegedly sleeping on the road. Questions have been asked why the close call incidents like these happen. Only last week, at around about the same time on Thursday morning, 6 teenagers who managed to roll their van escaped with minor injuries, and this morning was a very close call indeed. According to the Chief of Police, Mark Chenery, the teenager escaped with minor injuries that landed him in hospital, but it could have been worse. He said the focus of the police investigation at this stage is to ascertain the cause of the accident. At this stage, the accident investigation is still underway. And we will bring you more on this story in our future news bulletin.